Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L.O. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back. Those who haven't been here for the first time, definitely like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll let y'all know when I drop another video. Today, I'm just going to do a real quick hip hop beat. See what y'all think about it. See if we can get this done. I'm actually going to introduce Serato Sampler in this one. So stay tuned. Let's check it out. Alright. And usually when I'm doing like boom bap, I'll usually use my mini keyboard. It's a little M Audio Air 32 mini. Alright, this is actually a Serato Sampler. Really dope sampler. You can do it for like key changes and stuff like that. The only thing that I found that I guess I don't know how to do, or it doesn't do, is like glides. So like if you're doing like the 808 glides and slide notes, I have no idea how to do it in Serato or with Serato stuff. But to me, that's so far the only downfall that I've seen. All right, so once you actually find your sample, it'll kind of lay it out like this. It'll tell you what key you're in. If you want to detune it to a different key, it'll tell you your beats per minute, which one. This one says it's about 88.3. It gives you a mono and a poly option. This little signal here is to say that if you hit a key, you have to hold it down in order for it to actually keep playing. So as soon as you let it go, it'll actually stop. And this one will actually play the sample all the way through. This is what the sample sounds like. All right, so let's see if we can work with. Okay, so you can actually have it to where it'll make markers. So I'm gonna make a marker in the beginning. I'm gonna use this pad on my little mini keyboard here, and I'm gonna play it, and I'm gonna hit the next pad once it actually gets to wherever I want to cut. And now I have another cut, as you see. So it gives you the option to actually do that. Usually you can find samples that'll chop it up, but seeing that the sample's so short, it's not really finding what I kind of want. Let's see if we can kind of work with these. I think I like one right there. Who's that? And to move them around, you can use this right here, the top of the arrow part. And down here, we'll actually get it to do like only that part will actually play. It won't like loop or anything like that. All right. So now let's say I want to do something different with this one, right? Let's reverse it and let's see. Take the reverse off that one and put it on this one here. Let's see if this one. All right, so in here it gives you some options to actually put a filter on whatever one you're on. You can do select all of them, and all of them will actually be selected. I'm just going to add a little attack so it doesn't like really clip too bad. And it's synced to the tempo. and put a little release on there. All right. All right. And let's see how that turned out. I'm bringing it up in a piano roll. And do a Shift D, pull it up. I'm gonna do a quick quantize. All right, so let me grab these. I'm gonna move them over so they're kind of touching, and Shift D to come out of that. Let's get right into the drums. All right, and I'm actually gonna just use the MIDI on here, and let's start recording. All right, I'm just gonna pull these up in the piano roll. Shift D. Then what you can do is actually use your nudge and just nudge your hi-hats over just a little bit, throw it off beat. And you can do the same with your snares. I'm going to move it forward. And what I'm going to do is actually you control and copy this up one and bring it up to that clap kind of snare. So that way you can layer it that way. Alright. Alright, just gonna delete the ones I'm not using here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is actually use some of the MIDI, and I realize that you can actually use the MIDI even on a regular instrument track. So if you go down here, you have a display, you have audio, which is going out to the master, and then you have your MIDI, and you can bring up your MIDI channel here. and you can do your lock to your notes and scales. You can also do a quantize, and you can do an ARP. So I'm going to actually do an ARP and see how that comes out. Let's do guitars. Let's try one of these. So what you can do usually with the MIDI is actually make sure it's highlighted, and you hit, you can right click on it and actually go to bounce the clips. I see mine's is set as Control B. So if you bounce it to clips, it'll actually pull up all the MIDI that was actually played in the ARP, so that you can actually go in there and mess with it if you need to, which looks like I usually do. All right. I'm gonna hold out Alt to actually place those notes. For some reason, it didn't register. All right. All right, so basically what we want to do is just kind of mix it, and you got yourself a beat. But man, yeah, thank you for walking through this tutorial with me. Once again, my name is X.E.L. If you haven't hit the like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, let y'all know when I drop a new video. What y'all waiting for, man? I'm not giving y'all heat, giving y'all the good stuff, man. So this was pretty much a Serato sampler. This is how you use it in Cakewalk. If you have any questions or comments, hit me below. All right? Peace.